If you find yourself unable to access your Dropbox account because you no longer have access to your email, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Dropbox login page. Go to the Dropbox website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your account details, including your email address, and click on Forgot Password to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Choose alternative recovery options. When prompted, look for alternative recovery options. Dropbox may allow you to verify your identity through a linked phone number or by answering security questions if you set them up previously. Step 3. Use your linked phone number. If you have a phone number linked to your Dropbox account, select the option to receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code you received to verify your identity and proceed with the recovery process. Step 4. Contact Dropbox support. If you cannot recover your account using the above methods, visit the Dropbox Help Center. Look for the option to contact support and explain your situation. Provide any necessary information to verify your identity. Step 5. Follow support instructions. Once you have contacted Dropbox support, follow their instructions carefully. They may ask for additional information or verification to help you regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Dropbox account even without access to your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Dropbox support for further assistance.